In today's video, let me show you how to fix the Facebook dating profile not showing. So if you're having issues or not being able to find the dating profile option within your Facebook application, in this video, let me show you a couple of common solutions that you can try out. Now, before you can look at the solutions, you need to first of all verify that your region or your country is eligible. This feature is not yet available everywhere, so make sure you just head over to Google and check if your region or your country is available for Facebook dating. If it is available, then what you need to do is also make sure that you update your age gap. You must be at least 18 years old in order to access this dating feature. Also, your account of Facebook must be older than 30 days. If it was created less than 30 days ago, then the dating feature is not yet available. So you'll just need to wait out a couple of days before you get the feature automatically. Now, if none of these solutions are working out for you, this also could be likely due to technical issues. So what you can do in this situation is try to clear out the app bug. So what you can do is just uninstall Facebook from your device and then again re-download it. This ensures that you have the latest version, and any sort of bugs which may be causing this issue should also be fixed. Also, try to turn on your location while trying to search for the Facebook dating feature within the Facebook application. So these are the few solutions that you can try out. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.